Hello, the great to you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sure you're doing so well. Lovely. Today we are taking some tour again to Swedish institutes in Sweden. So you want to study in Sweden in 2026 and you do not have money and want a fully funded scholarship, then this is the right opportunity for you. I would really recommend that you go for this opportunity. So on this video, I'm going to take you through the worth of this scholarship, how to apply, the eligibility criteria, as well as how to apply for the program and everything that is needed for you to successfully get the scholarship in 2026, and also the deadlines for each, the key dates that you need to really meet if you want to grab this opportunity next year. So let's get dive into it. Let's get started. Right. So the Swedish government scholarship, this, like for example, Sweden in particular, invest in global talent to build lasting partnerships for more sustainable and equitable world. So that's what the scholarship is about. So if you are someone who is having this particular goals that aligns with your own personal and professional goal, then this will be a good opportunity for you. So through this scholarship, you can access to world-class education, cutting-edge research, and a vibrant network. So the scholarship supports a full-time 1 or 2 year master's program at any Swedish university, that at Swedish universities across a wide range of taught English, a wide range of English taught programs. So you don't need to bother about language. So if most of the programs we taught in English, just like is highlighted here. So it centers around these fields that is highlighted here. Yeah. So what's the application and eligibility? So you must be a citizen of one of the 34 eligible countries, which we're going to look at it in a jiffy, and then be liable to pay tuition fees at university admissions. Yeah. So then also demonstrate some work experience. We would look at this critically, how many hours of work experience that you need, and the countries that are eligible for this, just like is mentioned above there. So, but before we get there, let's familiarize ourselves with the key date. So 16th October 2025 to 15th Jan is the date that you must get your master's degree. You must get your master's program admission at any Swedish university. So then mid-November, scholarship application documents are eligible for masters to be published on the page. So this scholarship is open on the 5th of February to 25th of February. So, but first you must apply to get a master's program's offer letter at any Swedish uni, which don't worry, I'll show you how to do it shortly. So what included in the scholarship? Yeah, good to know. Well, the Scholarship for Global Professionals is a completely fully funded scholarship that includes, I said fully funded, you can see, so full tuition fee coverage. The fee is paid directly to your Swedish university each semester, a monthly allowance of this amount, a travel grant of this amount, a membership of this, and then after your scholarship period has ended, you become a member of Sweden Alumni Network. That's huge. So those are the criteria. Now we want to focus on how do we get you to get this beautiful opportunity. That should be my focus. That is my aim. How do you get it? Good. So this, if the scholarship that does not cover this, so you read it on your own spare time. Then in terms of criteria, so you must be a citizen, a country of citizenship. You must be a citizen of eligible. You must be a citizen of a country that is eligible for the scholarship, which we will look at it shortly. Then the master's program you apply for must be eligible for this for SI scholarship as well. Then you must have work experience, at least some demonstrate your leadership experience. This is where you would shine through in your personal statement. Like I always stress, Your personal statement or your statement of purpose or your motivational letter is where you demonstrate these. And that's what will make you unique and stand you out from other applicants. And this is where we come in to help you craft a compelling personal statement. So if that sounds interesting to you, get in touch. We'll be happy to help craft that or even help you in the entire admission process till you get the scholarship. But the decision for the scholarship is not in our hand, but we can guide you step by step through the journey and give you all the confidence you need to be able to get this scholarship. So the admission, university admission, so you must be liable to pay tuition fees. So which means you are from non-EE. So these countries that are eligible, these are the countries. I could see my Nigeria here, Peru, Rwanda, I could see my Rwanda as well, Senegal, South Africa, Tanzania. So if your country is not here, don't worry. There is another scholarship for you, which I'm going to show you on this video. So hold on, just stay put. Don't log out because your country is not here. There is still a good chance for you. Cool, let's look at it here. You must be a citizen of the 34 eligible countries. We suggest you look for other countries if your country of citizenship is not listed here. So this is where you find other scholarship, loads of scholarship. You click there, you would see loads of scholarships here. See, 34 available scholarships. That the greater you, I just wish you should just keep your eyes down and look for this. You're gonna find something in 2026, and with our help, you will land that scholarship. So these are list of scholarships. That is if your country is not there. So I'm sure you can look at it as your spare time. Just want to show you that even if you don't find it there, you can find it. You can click on any of them and then look at it and apply. Apply. Yeah. Let's go back to the main video. So what are the eligible programs? So you must go to master's, find a list of eligible programs here. When you click here, it takes you to the list of master's program here. No, that's a wrong one. That's the wrong one. You click here. Yeah, perfect. So eligible master's programs for SI scholarship for global professionals. So these are the list of master's program that you must choose one and apply to any of the Swedish university and thereafter go for the scholarship. So once you get the admission, you are sure of your scholarship. That's how it works. So these are the list of masters. It's endless. You can just look at it. Just wanted to show you. Then come back. Um, university programs, university admissions. So we've seen this already. So previous work experience, this is where you demonstrate it. So to be eligible, you must at least have work experience. Again, they said that you do not have to be employed at the time of application for you to be eligible for the scholarship. So, but valid experience include both full-time and part-time employment. That's what you need. So, work experience, so applicants from these countries must be able to prove your work experience. So you need at least 300 hours of work experience prior to 15 Feb prior to Feb 2026. I'm sure you can get it, but either part-time, anything you've got done, even voluntary work, you can work out as your work experience, and we can help you craft that and um, outline your story in a way that is interesting to read. So leadership experience, yeah, you need this. This is where you shine through in your personal statement. Cool. You don't want to spend much time on that. So how do you apply? How do you apply? So you apply to master's program first on the 15th of October to 15th of Jan. You apply for master's and then apply for scholarship on this date. And the screening is on these dates. And yeah. So this is where I've missed one thing. It looks like I've missed. Okay, I haven't missed something. We are getting there. So now how to apply for global professional scholarships. So what are the things that you need? What are the documents? So you need to read this carefully and make sure that you use the template that is used here for you to stand a chance of getting the scholarship. So they're giving a CV template. This is where you click that. Let's click and see CV template, and it will open. 1 second. Yeah, so this is the template of your CV. You follow like this and put your curriculum vitae. We can help you do that. Yeah, so let's go back to the main video. Then you need proof of work experience. This is also a template. And then 2 letters of references. There's a template already. And then photocopy of your valid passport, your motivation letter again. This is it. You must really write this to be compelling. Good. So yeah, so that's how to apply. Then application portal will be open on the 9th if you've looked at it again. So let's go to how to apply for a program first before um, the scholarship. So you come here, you click master's program, and then once you are here, the application starts and then continue to use your user account, find out how to create an account. First of all, you need to search for a program and you would pay application fee, so that this requires application fee, which to me, if you pay application fee and then get it, it's a good thing, get the scholarship at the end. So you click search for program. Once you are here on this is where you search for programs. You can read every other thing here, and most of these programs are taught in English. Then you come to menu and then search for course. Let's say, for instance, I want to search for economics. Yeah, because economics was one of the master's programs that is eligible for the scholarship. And then click, then it takes me to this. And then I'll check the level that I want, which is master's level. Excellent. Good. So these are Masters of Science in Economics. So it's open now. It said apply now. So you check others. Others may not be opened. Application period 16 to 15. This is open as well. Because I've shown green here, all these green dotted shows that it's open. So most of these are open. So this one is not open. You can see Master's Program in Economics at Umeå University. Application period not open yet. So these are open. And then let's just check one of it, example. Then you click apply. Once you are here, you will see the deadline is January 15. And then once you get that, then you look at the application requirements. They need GMAT. They also need English language, but there is an exemption. It's exemption from the English test requirement is granted for applicants whose English as their applicant with English as their native language, and also if you had a C6 qualification, yeah, in your high school YX certificate, Ghana, or those SSCE, that is equivalent to Curriculum of International Baccalaureate, then you are exempt. Then you write your motivational letter. So obviously you need a motivational letter, a supporting letter when you are applying for the program. You also need a motivational letter when you are applying for the scholarship. So there's a lot of essays to write. This is where we come in. Please let me know in the comment section which country you are watching from. I would really be interested to know where my networks are, and also to connect with you on the comment section. Drop on the comment the country, the city you are watching me from, and I'll be so happy to connect with you there. And also, if you want to look at our YouTube channel to see most of our valuable content scholarships available this year, please feel free to explore. We are also coming up My team and I are creating a complete scholarship calendar that will help signpost you to where you can find scholarship, the timing it's gonna open, straight links to those scholarships, and also drop on the comment section if you would like to be put on the wait list so that once we launch it, you'll be the first to know, which will really help you to strategize how you plan for your scholarship application each year and every month so that you don't get to miss any opportunity. Excellent. So, so once you finish reading all this, you then ready to apply. So you come here to apply for the course. You click apply now. So this is where I'm going to stop. So you're going to create an account here because I don't want the video to be too long. I'm sure you can take it from here, but if you need help, you'll be happy to, just like I mentioned. So you put your name here, Charity, and my last name here, and then my email address. You put your email address. And then you sign up. And once you sign up, you save it if you would like to. Then you click here. So they're gonna send you notification email, and then you tick these boxes that you have accepted. Then that's it. Then this is Stockholm School of Economics. So you're ready to apply. So you look at prospective students, you just familiarize yourself with stuff here before you apply. So you go on your email address that they've sent you and that they will send you and verify. So once you verify, you will then be able to continue your application here. So for prospective students, you come here and then you say MSc Economics. So you click that. Once you click that, then you click start your application for 2026. You click here to start. So yeah, so once you've cleared that, so this is how the page looks like. So my name has already been pre-filled. So you put my name, my date of birth, you put them all here, your passport, you upload it here, your documents, document confirming your non-fee payment. Substance documents are your passport and all of that. So your mailing address, and then yeah, that's your personal. Then you go to program motivation. This is where you write about why you choose your. They need motivation letter here and your CV. So you continue filling it and your school motivation as well. There's a lot to write as well here. What is in yeah, why did you choose them? There's so much to write. So if we need help, we can help with that. Then the scholarship. So only complete the scholarship if you're non-EU. This is where you say that you're interested in scholarship. So make sure that you don't forget here. And then you click, yes, I'm interested in full scholarship. That would be great. Then you put your references and submit. Cool. If you need help on how to take on this long journey, we are happy to be with you and work with you on this journey step by step till you get it. Do not forget that I'm rooting for you. Do not stop rooting for yourself. See you at the top. That's where I belong. And please do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe and share with others. See you at the top. Again, that's where I belong. The greater you.